Introducing Cooking Mastery Guide. Attention, do you panic every time you realize you need to make dinner yet again? Discover how you can brush up on your cooking skills and learn some highly effective tips to prepare fast and easy meals for your loved ones. Meals that taste even better than top-notch restaurants. Finally, you can now amaze your friends and relatives with your newly found cooking finesse. You now have a complete guide that shows you how to put more excitement into your cooking and have a real blast every time you enter the kitchen. From Shweta Jain. Dear friend, everybody with the slightest interest in cooking and eating will be delighted with the ebook, Cooking Mastery Guide. It comprises 84 delightful pages, loaded with excellent culinary tips guaranteed to make you a master cook in no time. It teaches you to enjoy cooking and reveals dozens of other cooking facts, such as the wonders of cuisines around the world and the benefits of joining cooking schools. These are some of the tips you will find in the book. Buying kitchen equipment, tips and tricks to help you save money. The well-equipped kitchen. Be wary of the latest trends. Inexpensive vs cheap. Needing vs wanting. Comparison shopping. Secrets of outdoor cooking recipes. Once a month cooking recipes. Mother's Day cooking made easy. Mardi Gras cooking Cajun style. Learn to cook Italian food on vacation. Cooking with a Dutch oven. Recipes of Italian vegetarian cooking. A wonderful experience with outdoor cooking burners. Cooking Christmas cookies. Chinese cooking wok. 7 useful cooking tips and hints. Italian cooking recipes. French cooking holidays. Microwave bacon cooking equipment. Back to beginning for President's Day cooking. Review of different vegetarian cooking shows. And much more. Why spend another weeks and months trying to figure out all of the steps it takes to start cooking your favorite dishes, when you can get now the guide that will show you exactly how to take action? With these ebook, you'll be able to know them directly from the computer screen itself within 5 minutes from now if you take action. I'll top up your foolproof passport to success with my unconditional 100% ironclad money-back guarantee. Guarantee if you still have any lingering doubts about purchasing, let me reassure you now with the knowledge that your copy of this superb information is covered by my 100% cast iron, no questions asked, no risk guarantee. If at any time during the next 30 days, you decide that Cooking Mastery Guide does not meet your requirements, just shoot me a quick email and I guarantee to refund your money in full, no questions asked. All this means you can take a full 30 days to check out Cooking Mastery Guide for yourself, with no risk whatsoever. In other words, you have everything to gain and nothing to lose. Is that fair or what? That means you can try out the Cooking Mastery Guide at my risk, while you see if they work for you or not. And if they don't produce any results, I honestly want you to ask for your money back. That being said and done, all that remains is for you to put the Cooking Mastery Guide into action. The ball is now in your court. Click on this link to download this amazing information. With the kind of information given in Cooking Mastery Guide, I can easily charge $97 for it. But I will not do that. For a very limited time, you can get instant access to Cooking Mastery Guide for $97.37, $17.95. Yes, that's right. You can download Cooking Mastery Guide in PDF format for only $17.95. Yes, Shveta. I can't wait to start my own cooking self-mastery. Please give me an instant access to Cooking Mastery Guide now. Introductory price $97.37, $17.95 only. Note, this is not a physical product. The information that you will be getting is in PDF format where you can download instantly right after we receive your successful payment. Regards, Shveta Jain. P.S. The book will be sold at this rock bottom price only for a very limited time. We will increase the price in the next few days. So make sure you grab the book right away at the lowest possible price. P.S. Remember, we have a 30 days 100% money back guarantee. If for whatever reason, you are not satisfied with your purchase, just send us a mail within 60 days of your purchase, and we will refund 100% of your money. Absolutely no hassles and no questions asked. Order now. For more information about Cooking Mastery Guide, visit the link written below on description in this video. Thank you.